If you would like one of these, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training where he will show you how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Have you ever seen anybody with lots of money, without a partner? Hey there YouTube friends, my name is Raymond. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be talking about how to unlock the secrets of making money on YouTube. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without recording videos and the free training. Benefits of earning money on YouTube. Additionally, YouTube offers various monetization options, such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, giving you the flexibility to choose the method that best suits your content and audience. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training. Potential of making money without video recording. There are alternative methods, such as creating compilation videos, using stock footage, or repurposing existing content, that can still attract viewers and generate income. Finding your niche. When it comes to making money on YouTube without recording videos, one of the key factors for success is identifying a profitable niche for your channel. By selecting a niche with high viewer demand and aligning it with your interests and expertise, you can create engaging content that resonates with your audience and drives revenue. Here are some tips to help you find the perfect niche for your YouTube channel. To determine a niche with high viewer demand, it's essential to research trending topics and interests within the YouTube community. By sharing your unique perspective and insights, you can attract a dedicated audience that values your content. Analyze competitor channels. To understand successful content strategies within your chosen niche, take the time to analyze competitor channels on YouTube. Study the type of content they produce, their engagement with viewers, and their monetization methods. Creating compelling content. When it comes to making money on YouTube without recording videos, developing engaging content ideas is essential to attract and retain viewers. Here are some guidelines to help you develop captivating content ideas that don't require video recording. Explore alternative formats. Instead of traditional video content, consider exploring alternative formats such as podcasts, slideshows, animations, or voiceover presentations. Create content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your niche to attract and retain a loyal audience. By following these guidelines and exploring creative content ideas that don't require video recording, you can create compelling content that attracts viewers, drives engagement, and ultimately helps you monetize your YouTube channel successfully. Monetization strategies. When it comes to making money on YouTube without recording videos, implementing effective monetization methods for your non-video content is key to generating revenue and maximizing your earning potential. By utilizing strategies such as affiliate marketing, sponsorship opportunities, and offering exclusive memberships or merchandise, you can monetize your channel successfully. Here are some guidelines to help you implement effective monetization methods for your non-video YouTube content. Keep your eye on the prize. Utilize affiliate marketing. One of the most popular monetization methods for non-video content is affiliate marketing. Explore sponsorship opportunities. Another lucrative monetization strategy for non-video content is exploring sponsorship opportunities with brands that align with your niche and audience. Be transparent with your audience about sponsored content and ensure that the brands you work with align with your values and content. By implementing these effective monetization methods for your non-video YouTube content, you can diversify your income streams, maximize your earning potential, and build a sustainable business on YouTube. Growing your audience. Expanding your YouTube channel's reach and increasing viewer engagement are essential steps in building a successful online presence and maximizing your earning potential. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engine visibility, promoting your content on social media platforms, and collaborating with other YouTubers or influencers, you can grow your audience and create a loyal community of viewers. Here are some guidelines to help you expand your YouTube channel's reach and increase viewer engagement. To attract more viewers to your channel, it's crucial to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engine visibility. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can attract organic traffic and reach a wider audience. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training. In addition to optimizing your content for search engines, promote your videos on social media platforms to increase visibility and engage with your audience. Share your content on platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Partnering with like-minded creators in your niche can help you tap into their existing fan base, attract new viewers to your channel, and establish valuable connections within the YouTube community. Stay with us now. By collaborating on content, cross-promoting each other's channels, or participating in joint projects, you can leverage the reach and influence of other creators to grow your audience and increase viewer engagement. By following these guidelines and implementing strategies to optimize your content, promote on social media, and collaborate with other creators, you can expand your YouTube channel's reach, increase viewer engagement, and build a thriving community of loyal fans and followers. Analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing the performance of your non-video content on YouTube is crucial for understanding what resonates with your audience, optimizing your content strategy, and maximizing your channel's growth potential. By using YouTube Analytics to monitor key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates, you can identify successful content types and topics, refine your approach, and experiment with different strategies to optimize your channel. Here are some guidelines to help you effectively analyze the performance of your non-video content on YouTube. It's good that you are still with us. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor key metrics. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into how your content is performing and how viewers are engaging with your channel. Identify successful content types and topics. By analyzing performance data, you can identify successful content types and topics that resonate with your audience and drive engagement. To optimize your channel and continue growing your audience, it's essential to experiment with different approaches based on performance data. Test new content ideas, formats, and strategies, and analyze the results to see what resonates with your viewers. By being open to experimentation and willing to adapt your approach based on performance data, you can refine your content strategy, attract more viewers, and drive engagement on your YouTube channel. By following these guidelines and leveraging performance data to track, analyze, and optimize your non-video content on YouTube, you can gain valuable insights, refine your content strategy, and continue growing your channel successfully. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training. We are almost finished. Hang in there. By implementing the tips and techniques shared in this video, you can create compelling content, expand your audience, and monetize your channel successfully. Identify a profitable niche for your YouTube channel by implementing the tips and techniques shared in this video, you can create compelling content, expand your audience, and monetize your channel successfully. Identify a profitable niche for your YouTube channel by researching trending topics, considering your passions and expertise, and analyzing competitor channels. Develop engaging content ideas that do not require video recording, such as podcasts, slideshows, animations, or voiceover presentations. Focus on providing value and entertainment to attract and retain viewers. Implement effective monetization methods for your non-video content, including affiliate marketing, sponsorship opportunities, and offering exclusive memberships or merchandise to your audience. Expand your YouTube channel's reach and increase viewer engagement by optimizing for search engine visibility, promoting on social media platforms, and collaborating with other YouTubers or influencers. Track and analyze the performance of your non-video content using YouTube Analytics to monitor key metrics, identify successful content types and topics, and experiment with different approaches to optimize your channel. We encourage you to take action on the strategies shared in this video to grow your YouTube channel, attract more viewers, and increase your earning potential. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us continue to provide valuable content to our audience. Have you ever seen anybody with lots of money, without a partner?